In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your organization's policies are preventing us from completing this action for you. So how do you fix this? I'll show you. Step 1, on your search bar here, type in registry. Type in registry and you will get to this registry editor here. So click on the H key class root here, click on it to expand it. And from here, look for .html. Once you find the .html, click on it. And then here you will see there is a default file here. Double click on the default file and make sure under the value data, make sure HTML file is selected, it's mentioned. If not, just make the changes or type in HTML file. Hit on OK. Once that's done, you can close this. That's step 1. Step 2, what you're going to do, in the search bar again here, type in CMD. That will open up the command prompt. Click on Run as Administrator. Click on it and open it and run it as administrator. And here we're going to type in a bunch of commands which you can just simply type this in, okay, followed by the enter. First command, type in net netsh space winsock space reset, okay, hit on enter. Once that's done, second command, what we're going to type is again netsh netsh space int space IP space reset. Hit on enter. The third command that you're going to do is type in ipconfig ipconfig space / release release. Hit on enter. Then the fourth command that you're going to type in again ipconfig space / renew renew. Hit on enter. Once that's done, the last command that you're going to type in is again ipconfig space / flush flush DNS. Type on enter. Once you hit the enter, so now click on your system and then restart your system. And once you restart the system, that should fix up the issue.